probably would not think I would. What did he say? Capture the flag. Capture the flag. Red flag up. Red flag up.
We're red, right?
We're red. So pull up the red flag.
So pull up the red flag?
And then theirs is on their side here.
No, theirs, you have to come to this.
Oh, it's this one and this one?
Yes.
Sam, don't tell no one. I put whiskey in here.
The fuck? And you're on the job?
Yeah. No.
They got the left. I thought. Suck it. Yo. Shoot left hand. I'm hitting your helmet. Wave your hand so I see you.
Are you hit?
Wave your hand when you're hit. Not just hold your gun, because you're holding your gun, I'm going to shoot you.
Hey, they're trying to flank us on this left.
You're on my team?
No, I was just asking what's the issue there, because you were tapping me.
You're
on
holding
the
your
back.
gun, and I see you behind a wall like this. I don't see your hand. Hold your hand like this so I know
No,
you're
I
dead.
did at the end there, because
Yeah,
I
stop.
finally felt you on your on
Yeah,
my
stop
back.
shooting because you put your hand. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
I didn't see your hand. You had your gun like this
I'm sorry about
behind
that.
a wall, and all I see is this.
I'm sorry about that.
That's alright. Good shit, dog. Come back and get me, dog. We got this.